Hello! Happy birthday, Castiel. Okay, galingan sa school, galingan sa buhay. Ay, ipagpatuloy ang pagiging mabuting bata. Happy birthday!
Hi, Castiel! Happy birthday! And may you have more birthdays to come. And may God bless you always. From Coco and me, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Castiel!
Wish ko sa'yo good health, para good boy ka, and yung pag-aaral mo sana maging matapos, patuloy kang investigan para sa family mo, more power sa family.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Bunso! We love you! We miss you! Sabi mo, we love you, Kuya! Kuya Castiel, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Kuya Castiel, sing ka muna! Sing! Happy birthday! Dali!
Happy birthday
To you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Birthday, Kuya Castiel.
Ano, practice, Kuya.
Hello! Good afternoon! Castiel, happy birthday! Sana ang gift ko sa iyo, bigyan ka ng ating Panginoon ng malusog na katawan at siyempre, abutin mo ang iyong pangarap. Happy birthday and good luck sa iyong karir. Magandang hapon.
Happy birthday, Castiel! May God bless you with love, joy, and endless happiness. I'm so proud to be your Nina. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Castiel. Tingin mo ko ripon. I wish you all the best. I know you're a good son. I wish also na maging good citizen ka like your father. Pakabait ka and study hard para mahigitan mo pa yung nagawa ng daddy mo at narating ng daddy mo. God bless and pakita mo na the best son at the best na inaanak. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Cas. Naku, laki na ng utang ni Ninang sa'yo. God bless you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, inaanak. God bless. Andito lang ninong mo kapag may kailangan ka, handa akong tumulong para sa'yo. Ingat ka.
Hi, Castiel, my idol. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Castiel. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Castiel. I wish you all the luck, good health, and mag-aral mabuti para lahat na pangarap mo ay magkaroon ng katuparan. God bless you. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Hi, Castiel. Happy birthday. Wish you good health always. God bless. Love you.
Hello, Castiel. Happy birthday. May God bless you good health and happiness. And enjoy life as it is. Take it slow. Enjoy your loved ones, your classmates, your studies, your friends, your relatives. So when you look back, when you grow up, you have happy memories with them because you just enjoy.
Happy birthday, inaanak. Sana pagpatuloy mo ang pagiging mabait mo sa magulang mo at sana pagpatuloy mo rin ang pagiging magaling mo sa pag-aaral mo. More birthdays to come, inaanak.